What is up, guys? There's Cole Arrington back here. This is my 2017 Silverado. I haven't made a video with it in a long time because I haven't done anything to it besides it's on stock 18s and 35s. And I think the last video I made with it was when I got my duals put on it. Ever since then, I haven't changed anything besides the front bumper. If it's very windy, I'm sorry. Right when I start recording, the wind decides it wants to blow. So yeah, that sucks. But yeah, I got a RanchHand bumper and put on here. I think it looks pretty sick. I went to a auto shop that is a certified RanchHand dealer. Bought this thing brand new for $1,487, and I don't think that's too bad. It's not the winch bumper, so it doesn't have a hole for the fair lead behind here or anything. But I did get the one with the fog light cutouts in it. The fog lights are not mounted in there correctly though. I don't think I installed them right because I tried to turn them on last night to see if I could see if they were on, and you literally can't tell the difference inside the truck. So I think I just installed them wrong with the brackets they provide with you. So I'm gonna have to take that back apart and figure that out. But me and two of my buddies got this thing installed. It literally took us no time. All you have to do is on this year model Silverado, you just pop the hood. There are 12 push pins that hold down a radiator valence right here. You're gonna pull that out, and then there are 4 10mm screws on top of this grill. And you just pop the grill out, pull the grill straight up. Then you just take your stock bumper off. It'll be 2 bolts right there on top of the bumper and 2 bolts right there on top of the bumper. And you should be able to pull your stock bumper off, unplug your fog lights, all that good stuff. But really, for this big heavy duty bumper, it was not very hard to install at all. I didn't read the directions, basically just threw them straight in the trash. And I got it this far. I do need to pull the bumper back off though. I messed up. I'm pretty sure there were some extensions for the tow hooks to bring the tow hooks out a little bit. And I didn't do it, and I tried to do it, and the bumper's in the way. So I might have to pull that back off to get my tow hooks out more, but I may just leave it alone, honestly. I kind of like them tucked in there where you can't see them. For $1,400, I really do like the bumper. I think it was a good purchase. It'll protect you against deer, all that good stuff, if you're really worried about it. I live down here in the south. Deer are very bad. So, yeah, I like the truck. So I'd rather keep it nice and not hit a deer and have to put it on insurance. But it comes with every bolt, nut, washer, lock washer you'll need. It comes with extra, I believe. It even comes with the bolts for a license plate. This was one of my mom's. I just stole it until mine comes in. But yeah, I just thought I'd come out here and make a video on the Silverado with the new RanchHand on it. I would highly recommend buying one. I think it looks sick. Some people don't. You know, it's whatever. Eventually, I am gonna get a winch and build a winch bracket in here somehow. I believe Rough Country makes a hidden winch mount for this truck, and I believe it just basically mounts in between the frame rails right there. So yeah, I might have to do that, and then I'll just take a grinder and cut a square out right there and put the fair lead in it, and then have me a winch bumper. So yeah, that'd be pretty sweet. I believe we are going riding this weekend. I'm gonna get this thing washed up and get it ready for this weekend. And there's nothing new with the old F-150. She's still clapped out. I've been driving this truck because I haven't had this one in like 60-something days. I was getting a transmission put in it. But yeah, like I was saying, this one was getting a transmission put in it. It really sucked. It's a 2017. It has 90,000 miles on it, and it needed a transmission. So I got a built one put in it, upgraded, heavy-duty torque converter, heavy-duty clutches, got it tuned. So I did the whole 9 yards on it. She's good to go. She's bad to the bone like she used to be. Well, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys liked the RanchHand, and I hope you guys are looking forward to a riding video this weekend. So don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to hit the red button down there and leave me a comment. I'll reply to every comment on every one of my videos. I'll leave it a like and I'll reply to you. So thank you guys so much.